Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some information about our 21-inch Venom black contrast wheel. Alright, so this is our 21-inch Venom black contrast wheel. This one is fitted with a Dunlop tire and polished floating rotors here. A few things to highlight. One, this one is set up for any kind of ABS bike, so they'll have this yellow looking bearing in it. What that means is it's set up for ABS. If you get a tire with any of our wheels, they all come mounted and balanced. They're internally balanced with Dyna beads, so you don't have to worry about spending $1,500–1,600 on a wheel and then having some ugly weight showing. The rotors, as you can see, they don't match the wheel. It's not like a matching design. We got rid of that several years ago. What we have now, it's essentially is the same as the new 14 and up Harley touring rotors. It's a floating design, so it'll technically float like a thousandth of an inch or two either way. It really keeps them from warping almost ever. Not saying that it can't, but it's highly unlikely, unlike where the old two-piece design, you'll get them way more often. Some things to note: these will fit any Harley touring model from 2000 all the way to right now is 2023. So any Road Glide, Street Glide, Road King, Electric Glide, etc. It'll fit most Softails, most Dynas, Honda Goldwing F6Bs, Indian Chieftains, Roadmasters, Challengers, and I'm sure I'm leaving some stuff out. Every component about this is all American made. Nothing on this wheel is from China or anything like that. It's all American made in our shop here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. It's all backed with a lifetime warranty. If there's ever a problem or ever any issue with it, we'll do our very best to get it fixed and handled for you. And that should wrap up our 21-inch Venom black contrast wheel.